What if the moment you tried to fix something actually made it worse? Scripture and Faith Unleashed explores real human struggles through ancient stories, and today we're looking into the story of Peter walking on water. If this kind of topic interests you, supporting the channel helps keep it going. In the Bible, Peter sees Jesus walking on water and asks to join him. For a moment, he does. He steps out, walks forward, but then something shifts. He notices the wind, the waves, and begins to sink. The story captures a very human reaction. Scholars often interpret this as a lesson about faith and doubt rather than a literal event, though interpretations vary. What makes it stand out is how quickly things change. One moment there's confidence, the next there's fear. That shift is something people experience all the time. In the Quran, while this exact story doesn't appear, the idea of trust and reliance on God is a central theme. Across traditions, belief is often described as something that can grow or weaken, depending on focus and perspective. In today's world, this story feels like stepping into something new, starting a job, taking a risk, trying something unfamiliar. At first, there's excitement, but then doubt creeps in. Research in psychology shows that anxiety can disrupt performance, especially when attention shifts from action to fear. There's also something about focus. Peter was fine until he looked away from what gave him confidence. That detail carries meaning. It suggests that where attention goes can shape the outcome. So when things start going wrong, is it because the situation changed or because focus shifted? And how often do people stop themselves from succeeding by second-guessing at the wrong moment? Stories like this are passed down through time and interpreted in different ways. Some details may not be exact, and understanding continues to evolve. If you stayed until the end, I appreciate it. There's more to explore, so check out other stories, share your thoughts, and help keep this growing.